Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting the right LEDs and a stable power source. This determines brightness and safety. Once chosen, measure total current draw and pick a PSU with roughly 20% spare capacity so voltage stays steady. Prepare wiring. Tin leads, use 1/4-inch connectors or solder joints, and apply heat shrink on exposed joints. Make sure to include a common ground between the microcontroller and the LED power to avoid flicker or signal errors. This first stage prevents many downstream problems. Now you wire the data line and implement control logic so colors read correctly. Use a level shifter when the controller runs at 3V, but the strip expects 5V. This preserves data integrity. Then program color mixing. HSV simplifies hue changes while PWM controls brightness per channel. Calibrate gamma to match perceived brightness. Once done, place a diffuser a few centimeters from LEDs to blend individual emitters into smooth color fields. This step makes the lights look professional rather than pixelated. To finish, mount everything securely and run a systematic test sequence so you can see color accuracy and heat behavior. Start with a white test at full brightness to reveal voltage drop. If the far end dims, add a power tap every meter. Once done, run dynamic patterns to ensure timing and data integrity. If you encounter flicker or dead pixels, first verify the common ground and supply voltage at the strip. Replace or reflow any suspect solder joints. That single check resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.